Welcome to RC Portable Welding and Fabrication. This clip highlights the fabrication capabilities of our shop, showing each machine in action. We will start by shearing a piece of 3/8 inch mild steel plate to size. Our shear can handle flat plate 3/8 inches thick to 10 foot long of mild steel, aluminum, copper, and AR plate. Stainless steel can be cut 1/4 inch thick by 10 foot long. The press brake can bend up to 5/16 inch thick material 12 foot long at a 90-degree bend, or 3/8 inch thick by 8 foot long. It can bend flat plate of mild steel, stainless steel, copper, and aluminum. With the push of a button, the plate is bent with the hydraulic power. The punch press makes easy work of getting a hole of any shape or size into any material needed. "14 inches square or 14 inches round is the maximum material size for the completely automatic saw. This saw features a shuttle shift which feeds the material through the saw automatically. Our computerized burn table can cut any shape, size, or custom design up to 7/8 inch thick. This machine is used to cut the silhouette designs featured in the Rustic Iron Creations pieces, as well as the custom pieces needed for the welding company customers. Thank you for viewing our clip. To find out more about us, visit rcweld.com or rustikironcreations.com, or give us a call at 262-723-4718.